Hi Soulmates, welcome again to So Simple. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to ring the notification bell to get you notified on my new videos. For today's video, I will tackle on Tailor's chalk that is very essential tool in a dressmaker life. This Dixon Tailor's chalk that is traditionally and originally used by the elderly. It is made in Mexico and a little bit pricey. It costs 75 pesos each. It is a non-erasable chalk, so be careful not to write on the right side of the fabric. And this new colorful erasable Tailor's chalk that is made and available in China. I will make a product review on these two products. So if you're interested to know which one is better, come and watch the entire video. So I have here 2 pieces of Dixon Tailor's chalk. This one I bought here in our city. It doesn't write on fabric. That's why I bought another one online. Still, I am not satisfied with it. 'Cause I know how an original Dixon Tailor's chalk writes on fabric. Then while watching sewing tutorial on YouTube, they use this kind of chalk that are very visible on fabric. I've got very interested that I've searched for it online. Luckily, it is available on overseas store. It is very cheap compared to Dixon, 10 pieces assorted colors for only 54 pesos. It comes with cute container. It was packed with styro balls to ensure it will not be damaged upon shipment. But because it is very soft and thin, breakage cannot be avoided. Luckily, there was only 2 pieces that are broken, and it doesn't bothers me at all. What is important is, it writes on any fabric and it is erasable. You just need to be extra careful because it easily breaks. Now, let's do the testing. I will try it on a stretchable black fabric. Let's see which one writes better. Let's start with Dixon Tailored chalk. This was the traditional chalk that our sewing elders used. Oh my God, it doesn't write. Let's try the other one. It doesn't write either. What happened to Dixon chalk? Am I fooled? It seems that it was a faked one. Let's try the erasable chalk. Wow, it writes smoothly and very visible. I really love this chalk. Writing on stretchable fabric is very challenging, but this one glides on smoothly. Whatever direction it writes on smoothly. See, remember, it is a stretchable fabric that I am writing on. And it's so easy to erase, much more if I will damp it with just a little drop of water. Let's try another color. Yes, even the broken one is so easy to use. It's just a little bit chalky. I have here old used Dixon chalks. Let's try it. I believe these one was the original Dixon chalks. See, finally it writes. And it is not erasable, of course. Let's try again the erasable chalk. Wow, it writes much better than Dixon. Let's try the others. It's just the same. Erasable chalk writes much better. And it is very much cheaper than Dixon. I put it in a separate container. I can still use the small ones so that I didn't throw it away. See, I can still use it. Even it is cheap, I still save it. There are still more to use. Let's try to erase it with water. Again, let's write on fabric, this time on Canadian cotton. Dixon chalk hardly writes on fabric. This is not the original one. Original Dixon chalk writes smoothly. This chalk is a big scam. This one is the original Dixon chalk. It writes smoothly. See the difference? Now, let's compare with the erasable chalk. Wow, it really impressed me. Let's try the other colors. It writes like an ordinary chalk. The difference is its shape and texture. It is less chalky. Nice. I really love the different colors and it writes well on any fabric. Now, let's spray it with water. And grab a dry cloth to wipe it. Let's start with the Dixon chalk. As expected, it can't be erased. But with the erasable chalk, no need to wipe it. Upon contact with water, it is automatically erasable. That's why I am very confident to write on the front side of the fabric, cause it leaves no mark at all. From now on, this will be my Tailor's chalk. I am highly recommend this chalk, but it's still your choice if you still prefer Dixon chalk, but for me, I won't settle for anything else.